Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Cat Construction Mini Machines. There are so many mighty machines in this set. Let's open it up. Let's take a closer look at the set. This set comes with 2 dump trucks. We also have 2 bulldozers. Look at the tracks on the bulldozers. These are strong, mighty machines. We also have 2 wheel loaders. Next, we have 1 excavator. And our last mighty machine is a backhoe. Wow! The mighty machine is carrying something. What is it? It's a 1. Look, there's 1 cube. Oh, what is the dump truck carrying? The dump truck is carrying a 2. There are 2 cubes. Wow, what's the bulldozer carrying? He's carrying a 3. There are 3 cubes. This dump truck is carrying a 4. Oh, what's the backhoe bringing? Now we have 4 cubes. What number does the wheel loader have? 5. 5. Wow, the bulldozer has a 6. 6. There are 6 cubes. Look, the backhoe has a 7. 7. The wheel loader has an 8. 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.